Packages are a powerful selling tool. When you curate thoughtful packages for your clients, they'll trust your suggestions and you'll make even more profit. For best results, offer 3 to 4 package options so your clients don't become too overwhelmed. To create packages, go to the Store tab and select Price Sheets. Then click the price sheet where you'd like to add packages. Items that you'd like to include in a package must exist as line items on this price sheet. To make a package, go to the Packages tab and click Add Package. Give your package a client-facing name. The package price is the price that your client will be charged for the package. The package value is the total that your client would pay if they were to purchase all of these items a la carte. The package value populates as you add items to the package. A good practice is to slightly discount packages so your client realizes the value in purchasing these bundled items. To add to a package, click on a group in the drop-down and then add the desired quantity of an item. Once you know the final package value, decide the package price that you want to charge your clients. Under Package Details, you have the option to limit the package to 1 pose, enter a description, and add sample images of the items in the package. When you're happy with your package, click Save Package. If you only want to offer your clients packages in their galleries, you can turn off a la carte purchasing in the gallery settings in the shopping cart section. Now, when your client enters their gallery, they'll have the option to purchase a package of their beautiful images. They can easily select the images they want in their package and head right on to checkout. If you have any questions about this or anything else ShootProof, reach out to us at support@shootproof.com.